Hey, you. Arr! You like your bounce house? Huh? Yeah? Wow. Owen. Wow. Owen, look. Hey, you. Yeah. No. Arr! Look, you have friends now, finally. Really? Wow. Arr! Look, Owen, look. Owen's 20 months. He's 20 and a half months. It's, I don't know what today is. 16th, 17th. Right after the second presidential debate. Owen. Owen, don't just lay there.